Welcome to P Kitchen. This is Patrick. This morning we are making some pancakes and with bacon, and then we are making omelet. So we have our ingredients here. We already have our dough mix for our pancakes mix here, and then we have our bacon. We have our bell pepper, mushroom, bacon for our omelet. So guys, so now we're gonna start cooking. So here we go. And the pancake now comes as round as you usually see in McDonald's and stuff like that. Okay? So you guys know it's pancakes. Okay, so we're gonna do 6 at a time. Alright. Guys, this thing coming so handy, man. You could be doing breakfast for the kids then. Why don't everybody sitting here? I'm getting it hot. Getting it breakfast hot, right off the stove, put a piece of paper towel to absorb the oil and the bacon. Alright, so I'm making my omelet now. So I already put my eggs in here with some black pepper. A little salt, not much. The bacon, salt. So now I'm going to mix the bacon and pepper and the mushroom into my eggs right now. Put my bacon in, mushroom, pepper. The orange bell pepper and the red. And a celery. And remember, if you're making this, you doesn't have to put bacon if you don't want to. You know what I mean? Whatever you want inside, you can put that. Mix it in. And I use 6 eggs. Just in case you wonder how many eggs I use. 6 eggs. And this is my omelet maker here. I want to show them what it looks like at the bottom. This is the one to cover it over and leave it let it cook. Alright, so here are our omelette, guys. This is what omelette look like here. Alright. Guys, so this is our omelette. And does it look like? So it's thick. And this is bacon with mushroom, bell pepper, and celery. Remember, a touch of black pepper. So this is what I'm making for you guys today. Guys, remember, you could always go, you could get this here, which is it's so easy to make it. All you gotta do is just prepare your eggs, put your eggs in, you close it down, it turns green, you're good to go. You know, so this is good, man. So guys, so just remember, you spray, little spray inside, you know, and so the egg wouldn't stick. It's non-stick, but just spray it a little, spray inside. And here we got, okay, I have my pancakes, I have my bacon, I have my omelette, and then I have just a few pieces of banana to go on the bacon and the pancakes, guys, and this breakfast for Pew family today. And thank you for joining me in Pew Kitchen, guys. Remember, stay positive, stay excited, guys, and stay well. And I'll see you when I see you next time in Pew Kitchen. Peace out. You have a great time. See you.